everyone, welcome to Art Around House. I am Kala Ponnuri. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make this beautiful planter using minimum materials and minimum efforts. For that, the following things are required. The first step is we need to make paper rolls. To make this planter, we need approximately 21 to 23 rolls, and it is advisable to take the papers from the same magazine so that the quality and the thickness of the paper rolls will be uniform. After finished making all the rolls, the next step is to cut the ends of the rolls as they are not strong enough. Here I am keeping the length of the roll approximately 10 inches. So you can cut all the ends of the rolls accordingly. The next step is to stick the paper rolls together, and besides sticking, here I am using two thin strips of chart paper to give more support to the paper rolls. To stick them, I am using this Fevicryl fabric glue. After finished sticking the paper rolls together, leave it for drying for some time. Meanwhile, we'll go to the next step. We all keep buying things whenever we like anything, but after a certain point of time, they become out of fashion and then we tend to throw them. Here, instead of throwing them out, I am using these old bangles. Here I am using the wooden bangles. You can use any bangles, whatever you have, and you have to stick these bangles together, and to make the planter you need two sets of 4 bangles. After sticking the bangles, allow them to dry for some time, and we'll come back to the paper rolls and paint it. For that, I am using Fevicryl acrylic color, which is chrome yellow. After applying 3 coats of paint, we are going to stick these rolls inside the bangles. As the planter is round in shape, to make it more stable, I used this Fevicryl molded and then made a small base and stuck it this way. To seal the paint and make it waterproof, you can use this varnish lacquer spray. To know more about this, how to use this, you can watch my first video. Since the planter is made with paper, we cannot put the plant directly inside. So for that, I am using these two old plastic bottles which will fit inside. So to put the plants, we have to cut the bottle this way. Now coming to the plants, this plant is called Chlorophyton, commonly known as spider plant. You can see these baby plants. You can propagate by placing them either in water or in soil. Cut them this way and then you can place it in water. So this is how you can make these beautiful planters using your old bangles and paper, which are very easily available in your household. So this is what Art Around House is all about. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to leave your comments. Thank you.